Most IT teams still fight fires, but the future of managed services is different. Predict, prevent, and automate. Today you'll see what an AI-powered MSP actually changes and the numbers behind it. Alert storms bury root causes. Tickets bounce. MTTR creeps up. What costs you isn't just fixes, it's lost time and revenue during outages. AIOps ingests telemetry, correlates related events into one incident, predicts the next failure, and triggers safe automations. The result? Fewer pages at 2 a.m., faster fixes, and fewer incidents reaching users. Teams adopting observability with AIOps report measurable MTTR reductions and alert noise cutdowns within weeks, not quarters. Independent TEI analyses and recent field reports back this up. Downtime is expensive. Industry studies peg averages from $5,600 to $14,000 per minute, with large enterprises far higher. Reducing incidents and MTTR isn't a nice-to-have, it's direct risk reduction. AI doesn't replace your team, it removes the grunt work. Humans set guardrails, approve runbooks, and own decisions. AI executes repeatable fixes fast and logs every step for audit. Here's a one-week plan you can actually use. Map your top 10 recurring incidents. Correlate alerts from logs, metrics, traces into one pane. Auto-classify and route tickets with clear owners. Turn your 3 safest fixes into runbooks with approvals. Track MTTR, incident count, and false alert rate, weekly. Start small. Measure weekly. Expand what works.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.